Dead economy. That's what the US President Donald Trump called India. The statement made headlines worldwide. Critics noted in the agreement, and the markets questioned India's growth story. But then something unexpected happened. December 2025, three of the world's most powerful tech companies made their move. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, all three invested $67.5 billion, all flowing into the economy that was declared dead. So what's the real story? Why are the world's smartest investors betting everything on the India's AI future? In today's video, we will break down why these massive investments are happening now. Second, what makes India attractive for AI? Third, the economic impact on India's and global tech. Fourth, and the most important one, what this means for the future. So let's find out. Let's start with the investments. Amazon $35 billion goes into cloud services, AI infrastructures and logistics network across India by 2030. Microsoft $17.5 billion targets data centers and AI training programs. They plan to train 7 million Indians in AI skills by 2030. Google $15 billion will build India's largest AI hub in Visakhapatnam with clean energy powered data centers. Overall, it's around $67.5 billion over 5 years. That's huge. To put this in perspective, India's entire IT sector exports around $200 billion annually. This single wave of investments equal one third of that. But why India when the president of USA itself say India is a dead economy? Well, you need to understand that there are three fundamental reasons drive this investment wave. First, talent at scale. India will have 57 million developers by 2030, the world's largest tech workforce. We produce 8 lakh engineering graduates every year. That's 6 times more than the US and the cost a fraction of Western markets. Second, the data center gap. Here's the biggest opportunity India have. India generates 20% of the world's data but has only 3% of global data centers capacity. Right now we have 1.5 gigawatts of capacity. We need 10 gigawatts by 2030. That gap is worth trillions. Third, government support. The India AI mission has allocated rupees 10,372 crore approx for AI development. The new data centers policy offers 20 years tax break plus faster approvals and the land allocations. The government is treating this as a strategic priority. Add to this 1.4 billion people, 750 million internet users, cheapest data in the world, and the UPI processing 12 billion transactions monthly. This is not potential, it's proven digital infrastructure. Now let's talk about the market size. Global spending on AI infrastructure will hit $5.2 trillion by 2030. India is positioning to capture 10 to 15% of this. That's around $500 to $750 billion in investment. But here's the smart part. India is not trying to build AI models like ChatGPT or cloud. We are focusing on deployment and applications, using AI to solve problems in healthcare, agriculture, finance and manufacturing. Think of it this way, Silicon Valley builds the engine and India builds the car and the roads. Microsoft has already trained 2.5 million Indians in AI, 65% are women and 74% come from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. This is about spreading capability, not concentrating it. If we compare India's $67.5 billion investment to the other markets, Brazil got $2.7 billion investment, Indonesia received $1.7 billion, UK total AI investment is around $28 billion. India is alone getting more than most countries combined. This changes global power dynamics. For 30 years, China dominated manufacturing. Now India is capturing the AI infrastructure layer. And unlike manufacturing, infrastructure creates lock-in effect. Once it's built, it's hard to move. This also geopolitics. As US-China tension grow, companies need alternative. India offers democratic governance, legal protection, and market access without political risk. The country that controls AI infrastructure will set global standard for next 50 years. India just entered that race. What this means for India? For India, this is transformational. We are moving from being a service provider to own infrastructure, from back office support to strategic player. The 8 lakh engineers we graduate annually will work on cutting edge AI, not maintenance project. Job creation will be massive, not just tech jobs but constructions, operations, support service. Every data center needs thousands of workers. For global tech, India's become essentials. When you control this much infrastructure, you control capabilities that no single companies can replicate. And here's the irony. While headlines take it $67.5 billion tells us where the future is being built, and right now that future is being built in India. If this breakdown helped you to understand global tech economics, subscribe. We analyze the forces shaping markets every week. Drop a comment. Do you think India can execute on this scale? See you next time.